Luna Cleans Up by Lauren Lelly. Luna loved to play. Blocks, books, and bouncy balls, they all had a turn each day. In the summer sun, she zoomed around. Toys piled high on the floor and ground. But where did my blue truck go? She frowned. Mommy smiled and took her hand. Let's make cleaning up part of our plan. It's time to give your toys a home, so nothing ever gets lost or alone. Luna blinked and looked around. Toys here, there, all over the ground. I can't do it, she cried with a sigh. Mommy said, we'll do it together, you and I. Clean up, just one toy at a time. Blocks in a basket, books in a line. Mommy sang the cleanup song, and Luna joined in before too long. She picked up dolls and gave them a hug, plopped them gently on their shelfie rug. Then she found her squishy bear and tucked him in his cozy chair. Cars in the bin, puzzles in the box, markers with their caps on, click and lock. I'm sorting my toys, Luna grinned with pride. The mess got smaller with every stride. Clean up, it feels just right. Putting things away, out of sight. Luna twirled as she did her part. Cleaning was fun when done with heart. Soon the room looked neat and bright. Luna beamed, what a lovely sight. I can play again tomorrow, she said, as Mommy kissed her sleepy head. Cleaning up can be fun and kind. It helps us always know what to find. With music, sorting, and helping too, Luna shows what kids can do.